Hello everybody, it's your old friends at Monday Madness and welcome to this a very special presentation of Kitchen of Madness.
Woo!
So, as you're seeing this, you're either seeing the end of our Monkey Island 2 playthrough. If not, well done for watching. If not, you're probably seeing this in a separate video. So BertBot, you have developed a very special concoction for us based off our playthrough.
Yep, and the wonderful invention of Grog.
Indeed. So, I had said very foolishly that we should make our own grog, and you unfortunately have.
Yep.
So, show your work. What have you put into this grog?
Follow one of these bad boys.
Right, so a whiskey, just to be clear.
Whiskey.
Not sponsored.
Yeah. And about that much of a strong pear and elderflower.
Pear and Elderflower, also not sponsored, just to be clear. So, yes, so...
with some water and my own special ingredient.
Special ingredient?
Yeah.
What special ingredient are we talking about here?
Doll parts.
Right.
And you can see it's been made very scientifically because it's in a beaker.
Yeah, well, yeah, I suppose it's lab oriented, I guess, which is very pirate themed, really.
Yeah.
So, oh, Jesus.
It is kind of more greener.
Well, I admire what you did, and obviously the plastic has really given it a very delightful, pleasant colour. Thanks.
I think it adds.
Yeah.
I think it adds to it.
Yeah, it does. Well, it at least gets the voodoo quota up anyway. That's the start.
Yeah.
So I guess we better start drinking it then.
Okay.
Right.
So we have this lovely pirate skull.
So yeah, if you want to do this at home, you have to have a real human skull to do this. Don't do what we did and have a fake skull, because it does lessen the experience. Okay. So who's going to be first?
Right.
Oh, James is going to do it.
There we go, so.
James, it was really nice knowing you. Like it's been a pleasure, but I'm actually glad you were going to die first.
And there we go.
So here we go. Go for it. Oh, he down on one.
Nice.
Nice.
Told you.
Yep.
Okay.
Really nice.
So,
Alright.
the first more important thing to note, this is hot grog, by the way. This is done over stove.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
So, you put what way did you do it? You put the whiskey in first.
Whiskey in first, made sure it was nice and bubbling.
Yeah.
And then added the other stuff. The doll parts go in.
Very
So,
scientific.
oh yeah, just to be clear, the doll parts is just for garnish.
Yeah.
Just for garnish.
Just to add texture.
Yeah, exactly. Right, I'm gonna do it. So, mother, father, if you're watching this, I did it for the views. Oof, that is quite nice actually. I'm not a whiskey drinker as such, but the elderflower and pear really kicks you in the arse actually.
Yep. And then smack you with its doll arms.
Oh, to be fair though, it's like a good bit elderflower, but a good bit cough medicine. This would actually do good as a very good...
There are secret ingredients on it.
Yeah.
Lemsip. I'm getting Lemsip now. There's Lemsip in this, isn't there?
No, there's not.
Oh, then why are we getting lemon then?
Oh.
Okay, my taste buds are wrong then.
Yep.
Oh wow, it actually, you can feel it burning on the inside.
No, it's really nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
It warms you up.
It actually does, to be
It
fair.
would keep you warm on a salty, cold evening in the Caribbean.
I certainly feel salty right now.
Yeah.
So, BertBot, I think it's time for you to do this. Thank
Do
you
we
guys.
have any other victims?
Well, Aiden's in the room and is looking on in horror.
It'll cure broken back.
Better.
Okay, I'm not.
Yeah.
We definitely thought this through.
Yeah, it'll do.
Okay, right, here we go.
Right. One,
So,
two.
pick your poison.
Numb.
That's something else. Do we have any other takers?
Yeah, I'll do it.
Okay.
You can video tape mistakes for you.
Okay. So, for anyone watching, this is Aiden. This is actually how he looks like.
Hello, world.
We don't want to show his talk inside because
I've got it.
he's very subconscious about that. So, yeah, it's good to have a milkshake actually as a Let's Play channel. Really adds a lot to it. All right.
There we go.
Just pour it into me.
Intravenously.
Take it to my veins.
Right, here we go.
Kampai. Don't film my fucking face, John.
Just the shirt.
It's gonna start tripping now.
Again, we're not sponsored. And... at least.
Bring an endorsement.
My pneumonia is slightly better.
It does clear you out actually. But give it like a second for it to go down. It actually does work.
Yeah.
So,
So anti-congestant.
right.
Yeah. Headache, migraine. It's all of these things.
You put aspirin in this, didn't you?
Yeah. Feel for your car.
Yeah, feel for a car. Yeah, definitely.
Very good. That's not bad.
Yeah.
All right, well, so if you also have any other illness, it apparently can be cured, mostly from the doll arms, really. I
Yeah.
think that does add a lot to it.
Medicinal properties.
Exactly, yeah. So I suppose that's that, folks.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching this. Sorry that you had to see all the doll arms, but
Bye.
happy Halloween, everybody.
Dilly dilly.
Dilly dilly. Good God.